tried to have a YouTube channel.
I come out here whenever. I'll come out here whenever, like when I feel like the opportunity's right. You know, I just pull it out. He's just like, yeah, what's good, guys?
Look, we got.
Girl, stop touching him! God
I'm recording this right now on my Oculus. I'm recording this shit.
Oh, I love this.
man! Yeah, your bitch ass!
Holy shit! Look at that Amy bot. Holy shit! Look at that Amy
Look at that, bro! What's up, bro?
Wait, where?
Have you seen Cookie
Look at
Monster?
that! Look at that!
Have you seen Cookie Monster?
Dude,
What the? Oh god, that's how you know Cookie Monster. After they made
Oh, that.
They made a Mecha Amy because Shauna can't deal with it anymore. He just stopped.
Cookie Monster's right behind you, bud. He's right there. He's right there.
Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey!
Sorry.
Hey, hey, hey! Sonic, good God, man, you almost got the teeth touch. Sonic says, if you make fun of a child, it better be an orphan. What are they gonna do? Run to their parents?
We're on the run.
Just fucking. Carl, you're sad. Carl, you're sad.
Dude,
Bro, Elmo, you can
I
the frog wise.
you cannot just that freaking,
Yeah, oh god, here's your cap, guys. I think I'm getting arrested. You have an anime profile.
You don't have a big nose like Elmo does.
Guys, I think I'm gonna die. I'm getting arrested, guys.
Cutting my nose. That's kind of weird.
If you have an anime profile, you don't have an opinion.
What do you call it?
it
Oh my
looks
God.
like a clown nose.
Do you
Yeah,
have an
exactly.
aspirin?
Dude, if I had an aspirin, I'd give it to you, but I don't.
Yeah, imagine I used to get the aspirin because you're fucking
Put
mad.
pill in my cookie and I ate it.
Elmo, what the
I don't
Oh.
feel good.
Give me his name.
Yeah, you
Elmo's high.
Dude, I feel. I don't think
Guys,
I
I think he's high.
I don't think this
Guys,
next
I
kid
think
would
he's
go.
high. I think he's hallucinating.
Oh no.
He's kind of hallucinating right now.
I think he's. I think
You need something
I
cool.
think Elmo looks like he's so fucking hot.
Mickey?
He doesn't know what he's doing.
You just
Elmo,
confused
you look like
Mickey Mouse with Elmo.
Elmo
You
gone
need
wrong.
something
Mickey Mouse is annoying.
Oh, you're gonna take that shit?
Like a delay effect. Here.
He just wanted Cookie Monster, but then Cookie Monster ate him.
Isn't he gonna take that shit?
Yeah, who the fuck said it? Yeah, who the fuck said that? Yes,
What did I say about the Clock 19?
What the fuck is the black and ebony?
What in the bro? What are you?
Cookie Monster.
I know we both blocked that kid because he was being annoying.
Oh my god. Oh, I just lowered him down. My ears were getting too much ear rape, so I was
You know, it gave me an idea. I don't make my channel, and I'm based on how VR chat
Black
games
nigga
and
world.
and I'll make sure
Carl,
it'll be
are you okay?
Little Boss and
Are you
Little
okay,
Boss.
Carl?
If I can come over that shit.
Carl.
No, it can be that, but then just a compilation of just everything.
It's on your mom.
I need
I
help.
can't
I'm
Carl's
speak.
having
recording
a
this right
seizure.
now. If I could
Carl's having a
put it
seizure.
Your grandma's
Carl's having
grave.
a seizure.
It's on your grandma's
And then-
grave. Respectfully.
And then I can put
you
this Elmo screaming this shit at a Carl
Grave.
Weezer.
That's on your grandma's
Scream
grave.
at him right now.
Carl,
You're gonna fuck.
that's a naughty. That's a
Yeah,
naughty.
you fucking cunt. Do it, you
That's a naughty
fucking
word,
bitch.
Carl.
What you gotta
That's
do?
naughty.
Oh, you fuck. You're gonna go, yeah, to your dad.
Carl.
You're gonna say, yeah, to your
You
fucking
know, I'm
dad.
friending both of them. These are
That's on your
funny.
mama's grave. That's on your mama's
You're
grave.
not gonna do shit, you
That's on
big
your mama's
fuck.
grave. That's on your mama's grave.
Brain.
Fuck, I'm breaking character, fuck.
I think we're all losing brain cells at this point, man. We're all losing brain cells because
I
Carl
lose
is
brain
saying
cells every day.
shit about Elmo.
Carl, are you a big boy now?
Shut the fuck up. That's why your mom left you. Shut the fuck
Yeah.
up.
That's on your grandma's
And that's
grave.
actually
That's on your
actually
grandma's
true
grave.
in the
That's on
Elmo
your
in the Elmo
grandma's
thing.
grave.
That's fucking dark. Holy shit.
She's on this
That's actually
planet,
fucking
you know.
I
She's on this
know it
planet,
is.
Not
you
even Elmo.
know.
You're an emo. You're not
You know,
Elmo. You're
she's
emo.
on this planet with his, with,
You're
you
not
know, he's
Elmo,
making his
you're
own
emo.
colony up in space,
You're
you
not
know.
Elmo.
He's like,
You know.
You're not Elmo. You're emo.
Elmo.
Do you see
You're
the
Elmo. You're
eyeliner?
emo. You're not Elmo.
turn
You're emo.
around and get. Turn
Wait, Carl.
around and get.
What happened to Sydney and...
Turn
Yeah.
around.
What happened to Sydney?
Nah, don't worry
I'm
about
better,
Sydney, she's a
and
whore.
I'm dancing on your grandma's grave.
She's a whore.
What
She
about her
turned
best-
into a
what about her-
stripper after, you know,
Ending delay.
she turned into a stripper after days of high school, you know.
what about Jimmy's dad? What happened to
Oh,
him?
she's dead.
I'm dancing on your grandma's grave.
You know, Jimmy's dad, actually, it turns out that he was gay after he shat on a banana, you know.
I thought
he
he
turned out
became a shadow, but okay.
You know, I thought it was a
Yeah,
cucumber.
he also did that. He
You thought he
also
was a cookie? Did you say cucumber? Cucumber?
Yeah. Yes.
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
You wanna know something? You know something, Carl? You are a mod in Dragon Ball Z 5. You replaced Frieza, but instead of Frieza, it's called wheezer in general.
Well, it's really.
yeah.
Carl Weezer's a god. What do you mean?
I know, that's why he's a
If
DBZ.
you actually have not seen my freaking final form, Carl hasn't seen my final form.
Somehow he's scratching me.
Cookie Monster
Oh, that's on
gave
your
me
grandma's
pills.
grave. Oh, that's on your grandma's grave.
Cookie Monster gave me pills.
That's on your grandma's grave. Respectfully.
Oh my god, it's fucking PNG.
I'm gonna use him for content. That's fine.
No, I feel free. Feel free.
No, because this feud between
Literally,
Elmo and fucking Carl Wheezer is the most funny shit I've seen all day.
I literally on my TikTok, on my description it says use me as free content.
that's the
So,
way they
like, I
got
don't,
it.
I don't care.
Damn.
No, Carl.
No, like I don't care. Make people laugh.
I love how the only reason why I have a TikTok is because I follow one of my cousins on there who cosplays and shit.
No, I got TikTok because I was gonna post. I got TikTok because I was gonna post and I never did.
Carl, you sound.
But then, you know what's funny? People started following me, and I fucking got a VTuber to follow me, which is kind of crazy.
Oh, excuse me, a VTuber?
You fucking bitch fuck.
Whoa, Carl.
Yeah,
Carl, Carl.
VTuber
I
follows me
know
that
a
has
couple of
a
VTubers,
hella.
and some VTubers know my name because of my fucking name.
Oh shit! How did I teleport?
Oh my
Carl, are you?
Are you okay? Did
Oh my
Cookie
God,
Monster
you
get
see
you?
me right now?
Cookie
Go back in the chair, go back in the chair, go back in the
Monster.
chair. Yo, take a seat, Carl. Take a
Relax
seat.
there,
I went back in the shadow. I went back in the shadow realm.
I have something to tell
Alright,
you.
speaking of VTuber, Carl, you're not the only one here recommending VTubers.
Elmo's world.
I'm friends with one VTuber.
Oh my
and
God.
another VTuber who
Live
just
in the
shot me
phone.
because of my fucking
SpongeBob
name.
SquarePants.
Cookie Monster got him too.
Oh,
Monster
I
got him
have
too.
the notification of who followed me.
Monster's in a better place.
The VTuber the follow it's called they were a VTuber
Never heard of that, but yeah.
with fucking 109.7k followers.
What the shit, man?
They just followed me. I was like, shit. I was like, yeah, I got a follower. With a high follower count. I was like, oh shit. I mean, unless
It's
they
great.
met me in VR chat. Yeah, like she followed me. Like now I'm friends with them. I'm like, I didn't even know. Unless they met me in VR chat and then they somehow found my TikTok.
Nah, sometimes VTubers like to keep them
But I can't anyways, you know. You know.
Jimmy's mom.
V2 was like
But
voice
yeah,
actors.
you know, gotta go back to that, yeah.
They like voice actors a lot.
I could be a voice actor. I'd be like, come on, put the cookie down, come on.
Oh, you learned that for shit.
I gotta be a voice actor. I can. You believe this or not? I can do a Swagger Souls. Oh my god.
You know, back in my day, I used John Jimbo. I said I'm banana, and that changed my life.
You two are damn nerds. I'm gonna be the best two this high school ever has.
What did you say to me, sonny boy? What did you say to me? Yeah, I don't want to be a burden.
I want to be a bird.
That's for the freaking grandpa from SpongeBob.
I know.
Yeah, I don't want to be a burden.
Old man Jenkins.
It's like.
Oh my gosh, my hands are going through my face!
You.
Oh wait, I forgot. I found my proof from.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Are you from Sesame Street? Sesame Street?
Carl Wheezer, do you want to kill?
He climbs up.
Are you from Sesame Street?
Oh, Jimmy's mom.
Yes. You don't look like you're from Sesame Street.
Fucking photo. I can't take that fucking every
I
person.
didn't like confirm.
Hey, how can I?
Carl?
Oh, Jimmy's mom.
I'm ready to eat your
Why do you
kneecaps.
have a meatball with a head?
You should put your phone with these
What is happening here?
You can eat my gun. You can eat my gun.
Did you say feed me my kneecaps? Feed me kneecaps.
Give me your kneecaps, bitch.
Feed me kneecaps right now.
Give me your kneecaps! Give me your kneecaps! I kneecaps! I need your kneecaps!
Feed me my lunch, papa.
Kneecaps!
If I stand up, oh wait,
Your kneecaps. Which one? Which
The one
one?
you just did. The one you just did.
Right now? Give me your kneecaps. Please, I need my kneecaps.
I like how I put my status is just mac and cheese thief.
Give me your kneecaps. Axolotl, and just as that is your status, you know how people will think that you are the macaroni and cheese thief? Just a little gremlin axolotl just running around.
Give me your mac and cheese. Ribbit.
What is a frog?
Get it.
What the fuck is a damn frog?
Yeah, it's my job.
That damn nigga.
Yes.
Jackie.
I'm related to frogs.
Hello, my name is Elmo. My name is Elmo.
Coach on.
Elmo's friend.
Oh my god.
How you doing?
You don't do.
Dude, I don't remember who you are. You don't remember? It's lazy logic, but I changed my user. I know. I was like, I remember you, but you don't remember me.
Oh no, I have that audio. It's just boom, 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 boom.
You have like a shit ton of friends.
In that song.
No, I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to get copyright strike. No, I don't want copyright strike.